Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another session on binary options on a website called Quotex. All the links are gonna be in the description to this video, as well as a Telegram group where we post a lot of useful information about indicators, and in general you have a lot of useful information about trading with binary options. Also guys, don't forget, in the description to this video there's a promo code, my personal promo code for you to use as you make your deposit and get the bonus. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, today we're gonna start with $4 and we're gonna use as our main indicator, we're gonna use stochastic oscillator. So let's see what that brings us. And first of all, you can see that I have the zigzag indicator already put on. We're gonna put on also a stochastic oscillator, and it's gonna be like before 1 minute of time frame. So we're gonna start with that and we'll see where that brings us. So let's put on the zigzag we have and the stochastic oscillator, and here we are. That's done. So the next step would be to find our indication, and right now what I'm seeing here is a call option because the indicator has crossed our the green line has crossed up to the orange, the red line, and that's the indication that it's gonna go up. Right now I'm gonna place a put option here. So because we have 1 minute of time, it's not enough. It's not enough to get go completely for the price to rise. So you see, in the next one, I might be using this indication as for the next option to get a call option. Right now, what I did is I placed the put option, as you see, because the price is not completely going up. You see the zigzag is showing down, and that's the indication. If I had maybe 5 minutes, if I had few minutes, 3 minutes, I would go with the call option. So if you're doing that, use the call option. Since we have 1 minute only, then I'm using the put option. So let's wait and see. The payout is gonna be, actually, there we are. The payout is 348, so that the total is $7.48. So the next one, actually, what I'm seeing here is that as you can see in the stochastic oscillator, the price is actually looks like the green line is going to cross the orange line down, so that will be another put option. So you see how volatile this can be. And let's check this one here. Right, so the indication as well here, the indication is that the same as before. So I'm gonna go with the put option because the price is still going, it's not fully developed. The zigzag up line is not fully developed, so we're gonna go with this with a put option right now. For 1 minute it was $7, so the total payout is gonna be 13.9 cents, and let's see. Here we are guys, the result is positive and we have $13.57 right now. So let's see, the next step would be we're gonna choose the amount and place $13. And should we go with this currency next? I don't. Right, so let's place $13 here and check out this currency. What's happening here? This is pretty entangled, so the stochastic is really you can't see what's there, but see, this is really tangled. So I would go with, this is probably a moment to go with the call option now. And let's see, 1 minute guys. here we have, guys, the $24 payout, 24.5 cents, and the total is $24.62. We're gonna go with the $24 next option. This is how it works. Basically, you have your options that start with very little. Maybe we started with $1, we started with $5, and here we start here today with $4, but you can see the result as you get closer and closer. See the indication here, I do it automatically now, but the indication here has been showing that the price is going to be down, and it's been under the this line of when it's really cheap. So now the price should be starting to rise when it's been like that. When the currency has been like that, people start buying it, basically. Just simple. And yeah, that's why I made this decision. And it was $155, so the payout is going to be $289.85. So let's see, it was 1 minute, so let's see what's left. And here we have, guys, $292.58 in total on our balance. We're gonna go to this other currency, and yeah, we're gonna go with 290 for the next option. As you can see, every time the currency the investment for each trade is growing, and obviously growing our profit just exponentially, as you can see that. So let's go with 290, and here we're gonna go with a put option, and because the indication shows so, the stochastic, and then the zigzag is also has been, as you can see, a few candles it has been there, not going up and not going down yet, but this is the idea. It's gonna go, the zigzag is about to show us that it's gonna go down, so let's see. Here you go, guys, 542.30 cents. This is really amazing result. And what I want to say, guys, is don't forget the commentary section. Let me know what you think about those results, because we try to push it like to the limits here, pushing all the limits, because we don't stop. It's been like 15 minutes. Here we go. By the way, the indication, you see that the price has been going down for a while, and now it's the call option. So let me know in the commentary section what you guys think about those results. Wow, fellas, we have $1,000 already on our account. It's $1,014 to be precise, and 68 cents. You see, this is crazy, because it's been under 20 minutes and we've made already $1,000 just starting from $4. This is what gives you. So we're gonna go with 1,000 and this currency. This is what gives you some simple, basic, not necessarily a minimum, but some basic some basic technical analysis. By the way, here I have made a put option, considering this, considering the zigzag. You can see that it's going down, and 1 minute is still the time that it needs, and it's been 1,000 for 1 minute. So with just basic technical analysis, you can make those trades, and make your decision correctly. Like, just looking at it, looking at the patterns, you can make your decision. And this is the greatest. You can be the, you can make your own decisions, not waiting for the signals or anything. You can be your own decision maker in this, if you know enough about indicators, technical analysis, and that's it. You're gonna have your own great results, just like I do here, you know. And by the way, we have 87% payout here, so it's $870 we just made with this 1 minute option, guys. $1,884.68 on the account already. So this is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna use 2 of the options, and I'm gonna place 900 each, so it's gonna be 2 of them. So let's see, it's gonna be a double option, and let's have a look. This one here, not a bad one. Maybe we do a couple of call options here, although the price, yeah, doesn't look too bad actually, guys. So just, you know, just to be clear here, these decisions come because I looked at the zigzag, and I just understood that it's not gonna go up yet, looking at this peak. So I just decided to go with put options. But if I had a bit more time, maybe a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, I would go with the call option here. So yeah, let's wait. This is a big one, guys. We just had a massive profit here. It's $3,450 on our account. Both of our options just played out, each with bringing us 1,600 plus. So now we're gonna go with 1,000, and we're gonna make 3 options at a time. So each one of those is gonna be a 1,000 option. So in total we're gonna make three options. Let's choose 2 minutes this time, because I really don't want to miss out on this, and this is gonna be 3 options, 3 put options, and for 2 minutes to give it enough time. So let's see. Alright guys, here we have 3 of the options have played out well, and we have $6,000 on the account already. So what's the next step? Is we're gonna make more options at a time. So 1,000 is the maximum. We're gonna go with this option here, and with this currency here. Okay, so let's go with some put options here, 4, 5, and 6. So we're gonna go with 5 options and 2 minute time, guys. Let's see. Oh guys, this is starting to, oh my god, we didn't have all of those played out, but we had $3,750 of profit here. So the total right now is $8,540.68. So some of those did not. That was so volatile. If you could see that, I mean, this was crazy. So we're gonna go with the next one, and the next one is going to be here. Let's have a look. Okay, so this looks pretty good. Actually, we can do some put options here. 2, 3. Alright guys, we just had a profit here, plus $5,610. In total we have $11,150. We're gonna change to next to different currency, and I've just switched 1 minute back on. So we're gonna choose some really great payout here. Let's have a look, maybe to this currency, and let's see. This is not too bad, although I'm gonna check out this one as well. Maybe that's a better choice, and this actually does look like a better choice, and I'm gonna go with some call options here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so, and it's 1 minute time, and we're gonna see what happens now, guys. Alright guys, we just had all of those played out well. We have 15,500 on our account right now. So all the payouts with all the 6 options has played out really well, guys. We made from $4, we made $15,500.68. This is crazy result. This is because we were pushing it so much, and as you see, if you can risk, if you know how it works, you can make this amount. We're gonna stop here, guys. I hope you liked the video. Check out the description to this video for all the useful information. Good luck, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.